This is the world famous Sicogon Island, being developed by the Ayala Corporation, and I think that's already the hotel. And ito yung namit na karon. This is now the famous Sicogon Island, being developed by a multinational corporation, the Ayala, and I think that is the one. And I heard they have their own private airport here, and this is an exclusive resort. You cannot come in here if you don't have a reservation. You must be a guest of the resort so that they will allow you to come down here. So, and I heard my daughter had a trick over there at the tip, and we will do that with my wife later. See, crystal clear water. You can see the weeds and the marine life and the water. See, so this is wala nguyon ta na lang ni. So it's low tide right now. We cannot land on the beach. It's because we will be stranded because of the low water level. Now they're planning to go to the Pantalan or the pier, and from there they will pick us up with a shuttle bus going to the resort. The aerial silhouette of the mountain, it looks like Jurassic Park in Hawaii, in Honolulu. That peak there, that's where they shoot the Jurassic Park. This is where they shoot the movie, Pinakamagandang Hayop sa Balat ng Lupa. Here, the Sicogon Island. The main actress is Gloria Diaz, the former Miss Universe. They shoot it here. That movie titled Pinakamagandang Hayop sa Balat ng Lupa, starring Gloria Diaz, Miss Universe. And that is the private pier. We need to dock on the pier, Pantalan, because it's low tide. What good ba yan? Yan daw Diamond Head. Sinaka ka sa Honolulu. This is the pier of Sicogon. na. So this is only for private. Public cannot dock here, except if you are a guest of the hotel. See, they have a security guard here.
Wala na artista. Subong wala.
Okay. Now they put up something like a barricade here. Probably this is the limit for non-guest. Probably non-guest of the hotel cannot pass through this line here, because this hotel is exclusive only. And I seen a security guard there earlier, so this is not open for the public, exclusively for the guest, hotel guest only. This is the barricade, so you cannot pass here. And I think this area here is for the public. I don't know, because you cannot dock on the pier if you're not a guest of the hotel. And yesterday we passed the airport, Sicogon domestic airport. So they said there are 2 flights a week, Monday and Thursday. They said from Manila. So probably for the exclusive guests from Manila, they fly them here, and some rich people with the private plane, they landed here. Oh, that is the peak there. Someday when I come back, I want to hike that. It's, I think, as tall as the Diamond Head and Honolulu. Where you reach the summit, you can see the whole Waikiki beach. And these are the hotel for the guests, and they are maintaining really the ground. Remember that the beach, what is this, they sweep it for dry leaves and everything. And Noy, pwede pa da kalusot? Di na. Public na. Mga public, pwede kasulod eh. Dire, gina-allow sila, pwede man sila kasulod eh. Agi lang. So, the people living here, you can see that in houses in the background. The hotel also allow them, but only to pass, not to stay here or loiter here in the property of the hotel. So, and they have some fishing boat here, as you notice. Amon ang boundary, ang nang sakayan. Dira lang sila. Hindi di sila ka pundo. Ang mga sakayan hindi di ka pundo.
Ako lang ang mga basta may bisita nga
guest.
Iya ka tourist.
They allowed nga deremana og madrap lang.
Pull out lang dayon.
Pull out dayon. Pero yung mga public fishing boat hindi.
Ang mga iya ka pa naman ka pumuluyo, dira lang.
Dira lang sila ya. Pero makaagi di sila. Hindi sila katiner.
Hindi.
Kay private ni no. Okay. So this is how exclusive this place here, which is good for the, for their guest, hotel guest. See that these are already a fishing village, okay? And they were just allowed to dock their boat here. So that is the whole hotel. See, and then let's see, everybody is taking a video of the enchanted Sicogon Island. See that? This is our group. That's my niece from Chicago, and that's my wife from LA. And these are their hotel. Unfortunately, we get the hotel room without a view, and that is one of their complaints here. It's very hard to book a room here with online booking. It's very hard.